Is your SONOS Move flashing an orange light and you're not sure why? You're not alone. Today, I'm diving into what a flashing orange light on your SONOS Move can mean and how to fix it. Whether it's a low battery warning or a setup issue, I'll cover all the essential troubleshooting steps to help you resolve this common problem quickly and easily. Let's decode the LED lights on your SONOS device. Each color tells a story. Today, I'm focusing on the orange light on your SONOS Move. What does it mean? I'll break it down for you so you understand why it's important. Let's talk about why your SONOS Move might be flashing orange. It's often a signal of a low battery, specifically when it drops below 15%, or even down to 6% for some models. Time to plug it in. Alternatively, the speaker could be in setup mode, attempting to establish a network connection. Both scenarios mean your SONOS needs some attention. First things first, open your SONOS app and check the battery level of your Move. This will tell you if the flashing orange light is just a low battery signal. If it's below 15%, you know what to do. Charge it up. Next, make sure your charging setup is correct. Check that the cable and charging source are properly connected. If you're using a USB charger, ensure it's powerful enough to charge your SONOS Move. If the battery isn't the issue, try rebooting your device. Just turn it off and then back on. This can often clear up any minor glitches causing the light to flash. Finally, if you have a charging dock, make sure your SONOS Move is properly seated on it. Sometimes, improper placement can prevent charging, which might be why you see that flashing orange light. If you've tried all the steps and your SONOS Move is still flashing orange, don't worry. There are a few more things you can try. First, double-check that the firmware on your SONOS app is up to date. Sometimes, updates contain fixes for bugs that might be causing your issue. If that doesn't work, try resetting your SONOS Move to its factory settings. Remove it from the charging base first. Then, press and hold the power button on the back for 5 seconds to power it off. You'll hear a chime indicating it's off. To turn it back on, either press the power button again or place it back on the charging base. As it powers on, immediately press and hold the join button. Continue holding it until the light starts flashing orange and white. When the light flashes green, the reset is complete. Now, you'll need to reconnect your Move to your SONOS system by following the standard setup steps. If you encounter a solid orange light, it could be due to two main reasons. If you're setting up your SONOS Move and encounter issues, the solid orange light indicates that. On the other hand, if your device is already configured and displays a solid orange light, it could mean that your speaker is overheating. In this case, immediately unplug your device, let it cool down for a few minutes, and then reconnect it. Make sure your speaker is placed in a location where it can get plenty of fresh air. Now, if you see the orange light blinking and then turning off, this can also indicate two different scenarios. It might be a normal part of the configuration process as the device tries to establish a connection. Alternatively, it could mean that the device is unable to play what you've asked for. This could be due to an internet issue, or if you're trying to play MP3 files from your computer or NAS, and the files have moved, the NAS is turned off, or the file has been renamed. In these cases, the speaker can't find the file, and you'll see the blinking orange light flash 5 times before turning off. This could also mean you haven't selected any music to play. Make sure to pick something and press play. Lastly, if you notice the light blinking from orange to white, this indicates one of 3 things. Your device is either updating, resetting, or there's a fault in the connection. That's it for the video. I hope these troubleshooting steps help you fix the flashing orange light on your SONOS Move. If you have any questions or additional tips, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. See you in the next one.